cramps right now. Good morning, everyone. It is 11:20. I woke up about an hour ago. This time change is kicking my ass. I just need to start getting used to it and stuff and start waking up earlier. Today is Tuesday and I am completely home alone. I love being home alone. It is my favorite feeling ever. Just having the house to myself is unmatched, honestly. Q is doing homework and stuff, and then Jake and Kate are at work. It's just me time today. I was like thinking of ideas of what to film today, and then I was like, hey, why not film what I do when I'm home alone? Don't really have any other premise besides that. So, welcome to today's vlog. I am just made my morning coffee. Literally, the second I even smell coffee, I need it. It's crazy. I have a few videos to edit. That's the first order of business. I've already brushed my teeth. I've already made my bed. I've already made coffee, like I said. Rhymed. I get to just do whatever I want. I got my hair done yesterday, so that's why I have those blonde money pieces up there. I am consistently vlogging for my members, so if you want to join, there's a little join button down there somewhere, or if you go to my community tab, I'm sure you can figure out a way to do it there. So yeah, I think the most reliable is the community tab under my channel, so try there. If not, there should be like by the subscribe button underneath this video, there should be like a join button that you can push. I don't think it's available in all countries. I've gotten some DMs saying that they can't find that button. So I don't know if it's only available in like certain countries or something like that. I'm editing 2 videos for my members right now. I actually have 3 videos to upload for my members on top of the 4th one that I already uploaded. So I'm trying to make up for the last 6 months that I have not posted anything on it. So I'm very excited. So make sure you join if you aren't already. And if you are joined, you have a lot of content coming towards you. Mostly what I do when I'm home alone is I'll either get some work done and then I'll take the opportunity of no one being home to clean. I like to really deep clean about once a week because we have so much construction in our area. There's so much dust. Like if we leave a window open, like there's just dust on dust on dust, and you know, just throughout the week and the weekend and everything, it's just a mess. So that's basically my thing that I like to do when I'm home alone. It is not by any means my job. I just like kind of take it into my own hands because I like things clean a certain way and stuff like that. And honestly, I love cleaning. It's like therapeutic for me. It is something that I look forward to doing, and I love the after result. I just feel so much better about myself and put together. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll probably make lunch here in a little bit. For now, I'm going to just go ahead and continue editing and doing some work, and then I will catch you when I'm done. I've been engaged. Film them. I just finished uploading one of those videos. Well, not uploading, but editing. God, why did that take me so long? Anyway, I just wanted to tell you about a dream I had last night. In a dream, Emma Chamberlain was pregnant, and paparazzi got her like walking into a Trader Joe's, and you could see her bump, and she was pregnant, but then she made a video saying that she was pregnant with cats and dogs. So you know how she's dating Tucker, right? Tucker was the dad, but then the babies came out black. I don't know, it was just like this weird fluke pregnancy. I don't know. Anyway, that's my dream. It is now 12:20, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the kitchen and stuff. That video is really funny, and I really suggest watching it if you want to join the members. It is, I don't know, it was just like so chill and like just funny, I guess. I don't know, whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna go out into the kitchen and clean. Try not to spill my coffee. My first order of business is I like to like take everything out from the like backsplash, the wall of the kitchen, because there tends to be like grease and just like crumbs and stuff all up in there. So I like to do that and then wipe down the counters, and then I like to like wipe down like cabinets and stuff, like the handles and all the stainless steel, and then I like to clean the floors because if anything is like falls from the counter onto the floor, it's like, you know, floor should be cleaned last. is what my point is. Enjoy this little clippy of it.
So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Let's spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lines memorized in my heart. I keep losing to a moment where I'm with you, I just can't focus. I love to hear your crazy theories about conspiracies on TV. I know the truth and it's so simple. Blame it all on stupid impulse. And I keep living out of my head. Just forgive me for my silence. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lines memorized in my heart. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lines memorized in my heart. 'Cause I will try to play my part. My lines.
Now that the floors are all vacuumed and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the floors. Living with a dog is really hard because the floors get really dirty really fast. So I have to like Swiffer it I think 3 times in order to actually get a good clean. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. First, before I do anything, I'm going to go wash my feet just because I don't want anything on my feet to after clean floors and everything. So I'm gonna go rinse my feet, clean them off and stuff, and then attack the floors. The house is so clean. Let me give you guys a little overview of how clean the house is. Kitchen, floors are cleaned, the appliances are cleaned, counters, seats, trash is taken out, candles going, sinks cleaned, and then floors and rugs cleaned here. I fluffed up the couch. Yeah, it's pretty much that area. And then our bedroom, I mean, it looks pretty much the same, but I vacuumed and everything and cleaned off all the surfaces and everything, dusted. And I cleaned up our closet a little bit. Our closet's just like jam-packed of clothes, so it's kind of hard to tell, but I vacuumed the floors in here. And then the bathroom is all clean too. The trash is taken out, the toilet's cleaned. Sinks cleaned and everything, and new soap. Floors are clean, and it just feels amazing. Okay, so now I haven't eaten yet today, and it is 3:30. I just made myself some iced tea, but my camera's blinking at me that's gonna die, so I'm probably just gonna make lunch right now. Q is coming home and then about to leave for work, and I'll probably just edit because now I hate 3:30. I've always hated 3:30 because I feel like everyone comes home from things at 3:30. Like there's traffic at 3:30, there's people like come home at 3:30. I've always called it the witching hour. That's what I'm gonna do, and I will see you guys when I have my camera fully charged. It is a little later, it's 5 now, and I had lunch. I had a salad, and then I had some Greek yogurt with granola and blueberries, and now I'm sitting here literally about to fall asleep watching Lone Fox Home. I love his channel. Like, I literally watch every single one of his videos, and I've just been chilling out. I wanted to go over to my mom's, but she is hanging out with her friends, so cannot do that. Let me show you guys what happened though, because I was cleaning the kitchen. So the sink is like suctioned to this, right? But it like unsuctioned. So that's what happened. So you have to like bend it over like that. I already like put in an order for maintenance and stuff, so wait to hear back. So tired. Cleaning just like took everything out of me, so I'm just watching YouTube. That's basically my little update of the hour.
That's just going to make it a lot smoother on the front, so when we paint it, it's going to look a lot more cohesive, and the color
Now I'm gonna just walk into my nail salon. I've decided to go and take off my acrylics because I'm just so over them. My natural nails need a very healthy break from them. It's disgusting. This is like my 5th fill of these acrylics, and I just need them off. I need to get a manicure, and then I'm good to go. So, got off my bed. I'm gonna go to the nail salon. I just got my nails off. Oh, okay. And I feel like a little boy, but I honestly am so happy to have them off. I've had them on literally the same set since like before New Year's, so like 3 months. I've had the same set, which is a little redonkulous, and my nails are like literally need to breathe, so I think I'm gonna really try to take as best care as I can of my nails because they're literally so brittle and fragile from the acrylics and stuff. Yeah, it's sad. Acrylics are so like pretty, but literally the second I take them off, I'm like, why the fuck did I get acrylics? They just cause so much damage. So I'm gonna go home. That was my outing of the day. I'm really tired, honestly. The nail salon made me sleepy.
I was baby blue with things to do.